Bug bounty hunting can be a challenging task, with complex systems and vulnerabilities to identify and report. But what if you could use the power of AI to help you in your hunt? In this video, we will be taking a look at how Chat GPT can help you to earn money from bug bounty hunting easily. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Chat GPT is a powered chatbot that can help you identify potential security vulnerabilities and suggest appropriate actions. To use ChatGPT, simply log into the platform and start a new chat session on chat.openai.com. So here I have already logged into my account. Now let's see how I can use ChatGPT to find a perfect bug bounty program. As for beginners, public programs on platforms like Hackathon, Bugcrowd are very difficult. So let's try asking AI to find us a perfect bug bounty program. So here we go. ChatGPT has started showing some results. So we have got Google, Apple, Facebook, and more. Let's try asking more programs. So again, we have programs like Shopify, Intel, PayPal. One of the most crucial things in while doing bug bounty is scope. A large scope reduces the chances of having duplicates. So now let's try to ask programs having wildcard. So we have got some programs on platforms like Hackathon, Bugcrowd, Integrity. As scope in one of the crucial part, we should also know about the bounty the program pays. Let's try to list some of the bug bounty programs with their scope and rewards. Here we got the programs having their scope and rewards they pay. Now for beginners, it's hard to find bugs in popular companies like Google, Apple. Let's try to ask more programs. More specifically, let's try to list small-scale companies which offers bug bounty program. So here we have some of them, but still we got some companies like Zomato, GitLab. Again, let's try to ask more small-scale companies. So now we have companies like Fiverr, Proton Mail, BlockFi. Now that we have the programs, let's try to ask for some public bug bounty reports. For now, let's consider Uber. Let's try to ask for some public reports of Uber. Oh, so he refused to do that. Let's ask for a big company like Microsoft. So here we get CV reports. Let's try to ask for Google. Okay, so it returned a link to get all the public reports. Now let's see how to know about a new vulnerability. Let's see how to find cache poisoning attack. So here we got steps to find the cache poisoning vulnerability. Let's try to understand another popular vulnerability, the XSS attack. Bad luck. We got some ways to get to XSS, but we need to understand the manual testing. So let's try to how to test XSS attack. So we have a basic payload which we can use to test the XSS attack. For a beginner bug bounty hunter, the most important thing is to know the methodology. So let's try to ask a basic overview of how should be a hacker's methodology while testing. Here we go, we have the most popular 5 steps of hacker's methodology of hacker. That's all in this video. See you all in next video.